Hello and welcome to my new Guitar-Nerdery episode. Today I'd like to demystify playing in odd time signatures. There's absolutely no reason to fear or to have too much respect that is probably gonna keep you from doing it. Those of you who are not familiar with playing in odd time signatures, there's absolutely no reason to fear. It's really easy to approach it. When we are talking about 13/16th, 17/16th, 23rd 16th, no one really counts to 13, 17, 23. That's not possible. The secret lies in making subdivisions. If you have 7/8, you can count 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can count 4 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It really depends on the groove you want to play. You can also count 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So you get different accents. Or 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Or 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. And so on. You can do what you want, depending on what you want to play. But it makes it very easy to approach odd time signatures. And now I want to play for you a whole bunch of different examples through many odd time signatures. And I'm always going to make these subdivisions. And you will see, it's a piece of cake. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You see, playing in odd time signatures is no mystery at all. The only thing you have to manage, and that's the most important one and the most difficult one, to get rid of counting. First, you're gonna count to understand it, and then the challenge is to get it from your head into your body. Practice it many times until you forget counting, to get the groove organic. Let me give you one more thought about it. Why actually playing in odd time signatures? My opinion is you shouldn't play in odd time signatures because you want to show you can play in odd time signatures. I think the musical idea you have and you want to express the time signature you choose is the only way to express it. If you like this video and if you want to stay at the ball, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next time.